This device looks like a small strap, but in fact it's a new generation keyboard. Its creators made it possible to type on any surface with this gadget. To use it, you have to put it in your hand and make a tap on any object around. The device recognizes the movements and transforms them into symbols. A simple knock is recognized as a vowel, and more complex combinations are used to write consonants. Overall, there are 31 combinations that allow the user to enter text with an accuracy of 99%. The system is equipped with an autocomplete system and predictive text input. At first glance, that system seems very uncomfortable and confusing, but you just gotta get used to it and you'll enjoy this keyboard. TapStrap is very useful for writing text when you don't have the chance to see the screen. Developers plan to sell the device for $119. This drone is the most advanced unmanned aerial vehicle in the world. It's the first fully integrated modular flight platform. Thanks to a new flight control system, this vehicle is more reliable than ever. The power system is completely new. It has a 620 kilowatt motor and guarantees an ideal balance between power and effectiveness. This aerial vehicle allows working in any weather, regardless of the conditions. In addition, with the help of the perfected design module, the Splash Drone 3 adapts quickly to all kinds of travel. This gadget is priced at $1,700. This smart case increases the battery life of your iPhone 7. The case has a fully functional lightning input that allows you to hear music and connect your phone to your computer. The integrated battery of the case has a power of 2800 mAh, which doubles the work capacity of the iPhone battery. This device can be very useful in emergency situations when you don't have a wall socket around. You can buy this device for $39. This is the most futuristic Bluetooth speaker on the market. Each corner of the device has been polished by hand, giving it a polygonal look combined with sharp edges. In addition to its main function, Sound Heroes is also a wireless charging station for your phone, a device to increase the Wi-Fi signal, and a subwoofer. In addition to its functionalities, this gadget can change its color and release steam when playing music for a great effect. The price of this singular speaker is $150. The is the lightest and most compact of its type. It can be folded easily and can fit without problem in a backpack. The vehicle weighs only 15.5 pounds, and the frame of the bicycle is made of materials based on carbon fiber, which allows it to withstand a weight of up to 220 pounds. This new bike has a 36-volt Samsung battery integrated in the saddle. The vehicle can be fully loaded in 2 hours, and its top speed is 12 miles per hour. It's possible to purchase this baby for $800.